Hello, I'm back with another face-up video. For this one I'm working on Clawdeen Wolf, and this is another one of the special edition dolls that I made for the convention that I did in February, where I did a simple face-up and gave them wigs so I was able to sell them for a lower price point. Hopefully I'll be able to do this again and maybe put some up in the shop. So the shop is linked below, so if you're interested, check it out, and I'll have it restocked hopefully soon. So as usual, I started out with a couple of coats of Mr. Super Clear, about three or four actually, and then start layering in the eye color to get the shape of the eye. And here I'm just kind of going back and going back and forth so I can make sure that they're the same size before I start adding in the black upper lid. I'm using Derwent watercolor pencils, and later on I'll be showing some of the pan pastels that I'm using as well. So this one's pretty simple, guys. I was really enjoying working with this sculpt. I love working on Clawdeen. She has such a beautiful mold. But I'll let you watch the rest of this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did. And also like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.